Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rafael and you're watching Carritos Diecast. In today's video guys, we are going to talk about how to display, how to store your Hot Wheels. I hope this video is helpful. Free way to support the channel guys is by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, hit that bell icon guys, otherwise YouTube's not going to show you my videos. If you want to stay up to date for more videos like this, make sure you do all of those three things right there guys. All right, guys, let's begin. All right, guys, let's begin with tip number one, how to display and store your Hot Wheels. This is a very efficient way to do it. You just put some pegs on the wall. You're actually doing two things. You are displaying and storing your Hot Wheels. That is tip number one on how to display your Hot Wheels. Another way that I display my die-cast cars is in shelves. To display and store your Hot Wheels, you use this L bracket right here. You use a piece of wood. I custom made this wood right here, the shelves. I made a video on it on how I did it. You're more than welcome to go to the playlist and look for that video. So yeah guys, this is another way to store and display your Hot Wheels. This is another way. Tiny shelves. This is for the loose Hot Wheels, right? You can use cases like this one. All right, guys. Tip number 4 on how to store your Hot Wheels. It's here. This is a plano adjustable compartments. This is it's got dividers to protect the cars from hitting one another. On this one, I was not able to fit many, but it is a way to store them if you want. 14 cars here guys, so this is another way to store them on these adjustable compartments. I don't have one with me, but you can actually use the plastic totes and you can actually store them in there. You can nicely stack your Hot Wheels. Let's proceed. Tip number 6, you can use some of this display case cabinets. They come with the UV acrylic door. This is another way to display and protect your Hot Wheels, guys. I got 5 of these. It is a very nice, efficient way to do it. These cases are about $140, maybe more with shipping. And I got 5 of those to protect and display my Hot Wheels, guys. This is tip number 6. All right, guys, tip number 7. You can actually use a box, plain box, and you can use cardboard dividers to keep the cars from hitting each other. This is another way you can store your cars. These are some of my loose Hot Wheels right here. All of these are matchboxes. I'll do a video on that later. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video if you want to see more of this content right here. This was tip number 7, boxes with cardboard dividers, guys. Check this out, guys. I was able to buy this up at a flea market, thrift shop, I forget. And this is another way you can display your Hot Wheels. Very cool case. This is actually a watch jewelry case. Cleaned it up the other day. I thought it was very cool. I paid about $5-6 for this. I had to have it. I'll start filling this up with Hot Wheels. The door opens. Check that out. Very nice, very cool. Nice way to display your Hot Wheels. I plan on putting a LED light shining down, so it displays the cars nice and neat. And this is the last tip right here, guys. How can you display and protect your die-cast cars? Try to find something like this, guys. A nice display. This is not glass. It's actually acrylic. It's plastic. It is not glass. But this was my last tip for you guys, so you guys can display your die-cast. All right, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. This is 8 ways I personally protect my die-cast collection. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you like the video, guys, and hit that bell icon if you haven't, so you get notified of every single video I make. I will try to make 1 to 2 videos a week, guys, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of these videos. And this was ways of how I display and protect my Hot Wheels, guys. Thank you so much. Until next time, peace out.